This is the launch of PETA by Coalition-LA, our collaboration event. So come on in. We're gonna talk about vegan fashion, celebrate vegan fashion. The theme of today is Eat the Materials, vegan materials. The collaboration with this initial vegan leather jacket. It was co-designed by us and PETA. It has the PETA logo on the front lapel, very simple and chic. And then in the back it says "Go with the faux." It's screen printed on. So it's just a classic moto jacket to really show that vegan fashion can be fashion forward, very trendy, it can hit the trends, and it doesn't hurt animals.
And I think it's definitely a must-have in your wardrobe, especially if you're vegan. You really need this for your everyday look, and you can pair it with a pair of jeans, you can pair it with anything you want. It's so easy to wear, you know, so versatile. Perfect!
Should I show off the back?
Yes!
We're loving these really soft faux furs. We've spent so much time developing a new material and a new fur that's gonna feel just so soft and luxurious, but at the same time animal friendly. If you received our fall winter lookbook, we actually break it down by fabric as we walk you through faux fur, vegan wool, we do some faux shearling, vegan leather obviously, and our puffers as well.
What does this collaboration mean to you?
It means people get to wear cool stuff that doesn't harm animals. It's awesome. It's cool to see brands have this conscious way of thinking, because I don't think they realize that there is a huge amount of people out there that want to do a better job of making smart consumer choices. And you guys are answering that for them, so it means a lot. The funny thing about trends is it starts as a trend, but the depth to this is so much bigger, right? So it's like, you know, the fact that people are talking about it is great, and then for them to learn what it really means and what impact a cruelty-free lifestyle means, it is that much more impactful on a greater scale. So it's cool to see these little steps come together.
Day that you see a fashion brand like Coalition-LA that embraces every facet of vegan, ethical clothing, you know, non-animal derived materials, everything that we have said to you all about our investigations and showcased about the different materials that can be used. You already were on top of it. Like, you were already on top of that message and wanted to spearhead it and push it along. And so now we have this joining of forces that makes each of our brands so much more powerful in the sense that we're educating not only people who care about animal rights, but also people who are fashion-oriented consumers who really want to look cute, but they want to do it in a way that they can wear their heart on their sleeve and, you know, really make sure that what they're wearing speaks to their values. And I love that, like, we can join forces to make that happen. So I'm just so glad to be here today and to be part of it. message that is within their supply chain. This is what you're supporting right now. This is how you need to change. And once we feel like, okay, we've taken to the point of this